In front of me is XIAOMI Mi 8 Lite, and let me show you how to speed up the following device. So at first, just locate Security app and open it. And here you will notice several options. So as you can see, it is scanning automatically, so you can wait until it's done. And as you can see, a few items can be optimized, and then your device will work a bit faster. To do it, just click on Optimize in the middle of the screen. And as you can see, and that's it. Here you've got also some more details. So for example, if you'd like to turn on lock apps, or if you'd like to change system security, just make some of those actions. Let me go back. Then you can perform a deep clean, just mark it. And if you would like to free up some space, just tap on free up some memory. Mark those that you would like to remove and tap on uninstall. And that's it. Then we can go back again, and now you can click on security scan and wait a couple of seconds. As you can see, this device is secure, everything looks good. However, if you do have some virus, then you can smoothly remove it from this panel, and that would also definitely speed up your phone. And then just open the cleaner, the first tab. And as you can see, you can clean up some space here as well. So just tap on it. And this is it. So there is also one more action that you can perform. Just close all running apps. To do it, just slide up and hold it for a while. And here you've got all apps that are running in the background. To close them all, just mark the cross icon. And that's it. That would also speed up your device. And this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.